messed up my shirt, but fit check. That's what I'm wearing today. I'm working. It's Tuesday. We came back yesterday, so back to reality for me. And your girl decided to look cute to work today. I look cute almost every day though, but I mean to work. When I'm home now, I be looking like, who did it and why do it? But when I come to work, we gotta try, you feel me? You look good, you feel good. So that means we're gonna have a good day at work.
Could you come in here?
Wow, big boy. You got it? You need help? Whoa, whoa. Two pizzas. It's just cheese. Cheese pizza. They're so small. Why are they so small though? I don't like this. You're gonna get this one. Baba. Here. Choo-choo likes cookies. Oh, be careful. Good job.
You put that nasty on my face.
I put something nasty on your face? I'm just trying to wipe your face. Hi, Nabil.
Mama, go faster.
Baba's getting chicken. Yeah. I think we should grab two. Choo, 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 choo. I never, ever, ever, ever get the regular orange juice. Never, ever, ever. What? We want this one right here. It's cold. I think we're done grocery shopping. Not I think. We are done. This is how my fridge is looking right now. It's looking really bad, but we're going to go ahead and get it right. So your girl is done with the fridge and it's looking really nice. But I need to go ahead and work on the freezer and also the food pantry next. So keep on watching. My neighbor had a baby girl and I decided to make a cute basket for her. I honestly been wanting to make a basket for her since I found out that she was pregnant, but I have been very, very busy, so I didn't really have the time. So when I found out that she had her baby girl, I decided to go ahead and make the basket for her. And I wanted to make it extra special, so I had to get the basket. I went to a thrift store and found this cute pink basket, which was really perfect for the gifts. And I bought a few stuff for her from Burlington and put it all together. And she really, really loved it and she wasn't expecting it. I was also making a TikTok video, so I kind of put a lot of the stuff in there, but I grabbed her a cute outfit, hat and gloves, another outfit, bows, of course, baby girl, and a cute robe. Also, it was my best friend's son's birthday last week, and I was doing the decoration, so I wasn't able to grab a gift, so I went ahead and made a basket for him too. This is how the basket turned out. Again, she really loved it. She was not expecting it at all. So that really made me happy. And also Zeke's basket, he really loved it too, okay? I grabbed a few things that he needs, bottles, plates, PJs, books, and a winter jacket because it's about to get cold here soon. Okay, it was about time to get the kids' room together. I have been ignoring it for the last 2 weeks and it was just getting worse. So I decided to get it together and clean it up. So I hope you will enjoy the process. years later. Look at the sunset though. So pretty. But 10 years later, the room is looking like a room. This room's been looking a hot mess. Oh gosh. I do need to wipe that, and I need to mop the floor. But finally.
Mama, the my phone
Yeah. Your black car.
Yep.
That don't work.
That is a bit, huh?
It don't work.
Prayer time. I got pray.
I prayed. I said.
Mama, check it.
It looks nice.
Come on, Mama.
Say thank you, Mama.
Finally, this room is clean and your girl is feeling really, really good, even though it won't last, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It's definitely a long overdue. I have been having problem with my memory, so I definitely need to keep on deleting everything that I have in my gallery or buy a camera. But I just want to thank you guys again for watching today's video, and please go ahead and subscribe if you're new, and join my journey. Thank you.